Have a better night's sleep on uneven ground with the Adventure King's 3-step levelling ramp. It's great for making any ground you park on level, for caravans, motorhomes, camper trailers and cars with rooftop tents. And the best part is there are no jacks required. Simply drive your caravan up the ramps until you're at the desired height. It's as easy as that. The wheel leveller comes with 3 different levelling heights, 4, 7 and 10 centimetres, making these levellers extremely versatile no matter what terrain you're on. And their wide platform makes them great for single axle caravans or 4-wheel drives with wide tyres. Plus, they can support up to 5 tonnes of weight. With the Adventure King's 3-step levelling ramp, there'll never be another night's uncomfortable sleep because you're parking on uneven ground. And I can guarantee you'll take a set of these ramps to every caravan park and every campsite you go to. And what's more, you won't believe the incredibly low price.